Hello everyone, welcome to Stoic Wisdom today. Let me ask you a question. What do you do when you're chasing a dream and there's no applause, no cheers, no support, just silence? There comes a moment in life when it's just you and the road ahead. No one claps, no one reassures you. And in that stillness, something deeper must wake up inside you. Here's your hook. You may have to do it alone, but you won't stay alone forever. In a world that loves noise and validation, this silence can feel terrifying. But for the Stoic, that quiet moment is a gift. It's the moment when you stop depending on outside approval and start building something unshakable from within. This is where your journey begins. Not with applause, but with purpose. And purpose doesn't need permission. Part 1. The world won't get it, and that's okay. Let's be honest. We live in a world that feeds on validation. Hearts, likes, retweets, motivational texts, encouragement from family and friends. And while all of that can be beautiful, here's the truth. You can't wait for someone to believe in your dream more than you do. Sometimes, people won't see what you see. They won't understand the fire inside you. And that's not because they don't love you, it's because your vision wasn't given to them. It was given to you, only you. So stop waiting for someone else to hand you the map. You've already got it. It's written in your desire, your hunger, your calling. The Stoics knew this. You're responsible for what's inside you. You don't need everyone to get it. You just need to keep going. Remember, you don't need their approval. You need your action. Part 2. Greatness begins in the quiet. Think about it. The caterpillar transforms alone, hidden inside a cocoon. The eagle learns to fly after being pushed from the nest, alone. Diamonds are formed in darkness under pressure, with no one watching. Your alone season isn't a punishment. It's preparation. This is where greatness begins, not in the spotlight, but in the shadows. Not when everyone's cheering, but when no one sees you. This is the quiet where your character is tested, where discipline is forged, where strength becomes real. While others are distracted or discouraged, you're out there, brick by brick, building a future that one day will speak for itself. No announcement, no noise, just results. So if you're alone right now, embrace it. That silence, that's the sound of focus. That solitude, it's the birthplace of something powerful. Keep going. You're not falling behind. You're just going deeper. Part 3. People don't follow hesitation, they follow momentum. Here's a myth we've all believed, that we're stuck because no one will help us. But the truth is, you're not waiting on them. They're waiting on you. People don't follow hesitation. They follow movement. Energy. Belief. You don't need a team to start. You need a spark. You don't need the perfect plan. You need the first step. Once you move, even if it's messy, even if you're scared, the right people show up. The doors start to open. The right moments find you. But they won't come if you're sitting still. Purpose is your fuel, not other people. So don't wait to feel ready. Don't wait for applause. Be your own breakthrough. Be your own rescue mission. Start before the world believes, and soon the world won't be able to ignore you. Part 4. Do it afraid. Do it alone. Do it anyway. You might feel fear. You might feel exhausted. You might feel like nobody gets it. Do it anyway. The Stoics didn't teach us to wait for ideal conditions. They taught us to act with courage, especially when it's hard. Because one day, your story, yes, your quiet, messy, lonely story, will become someone else's survival guide. Someone will look at you and say, "How did you do it?" And you'll smile, not from pride, but from gratitude. You'll remember the late nights, the early mornings, the voice inside you that whispered, "Keep going. You were made for this." You don't need permission to become who you are. You just need the courage to begin. Build in silence, rise through discipline, lead with example. Conclusion. Lead yourself, out of the crowd. Let this be your moment. Start the business even if no one believes in it yet. Write the book even if no one reads it right away. Take the step even if you're shaking. Chase the dream even if they call you crazy. You were not made to fit into the crowd. You were made to lead yourself out of it. So stop waiting. Start building. Do it alone. Win in silence. And when the time is right, let your results speak louder than words. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. If this message spoke to you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more Stoic insight to keep you grounded, clear, and powerful every step of the way.